Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Yetfield, Harare. We are cordially inviting you to the Northern Cape and Northwest Provincial Gathering to be held from Friday, 4th of June to Sunday, 6th June 2021 at Bakaro Tapping High School, Motibistad, Northern Cape Province, South Africa. And we are going to conduct a sower session in Tindondi after the Sabbath church service. The sick are healed and evil spirits are destroyed. Mark 16 verse 15. For more information, please feel free to contact Secretary P. Mutumwa on 078 058 6074, Reverend Chara on 0788 4531, Bishop Gotora on 068 201 2638.